In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add label block in Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the label element, how to place it correctly inside a form, and how to fine-tune it so your fields are clear and accessible. First, open your Webflow project in the designer so you're looking at the canvas. We'll start by opening the Add panel to access all the core elements. On the left side, open the Elements section. This is where Webflow groups the building blocks you'll drag onto the page. Next, scroll to the Forms category and open it. You'll see all the form-related pieces, the full form block, inputs, buttons, and the label element. Click Label. If you try to place it on the canvas and you see a note that says, "A field label can only be placed inside a form," that's your reminder to drop it into an existing form block. Make sure you have a form on the page, then drag the label into that form structure. Drop the label exactly where you want it, typically directly above the input it describes, like name, email, or message. If it lands in the wrong spot, just drag it in the canvas or use the navigator to reposition it. Double-click the label text to rename it to something meaningful, like first name or email address. Keep it short, but descriptive so it's clear what users should enter. With the label selected, open the Settings panel to review its basics. This is a good place to confirm how it's associated with its input. If your label sits right above or wraps the input, it will naturally connect for screen readers. If needed, you can use the For attribute to point the label to a specific input ID for stronger accessibility. Now switch to the Style panel. Create or apply a class so your typography and spacing are consistent across all labels. Adjust font size, weight, and color for readability, and add a bit of margin below the label so it doesn't crowd the input. If you use required fields, consider a subtle asterisk styled in a secondary color. Keep contrast high so the label is easy to read on all backgrounds. When everything looks good, publish your changes. Click Publish, choose your destination, and let Webflow push the update live. After publishing, open the live page and test it quickly. Click the label and confirm the cursor jumps to the correct input. That simple check ensures your label is doing its job. That's it. You've added a label block, placed it correctly in a form, refined its settings, styled it for